We are discussing some important concepts of the chemistry like fundamentals called as the fundamental concepts. First of all, we study of matter is called as a chemistry. As we know, study of matter is called chemistry. And now next is the composition of the matter and the properties of a matter. दो किस्म की properties जो हैं वो इसमें डिस्कस की जाएंगी इन physical as well as the chemical properties will be discussed here. And these we discuss on the basis of intermolecular forces, melting point, boiling point, solubility, dipole induced forces, London dispersion forces, hydrogen bonding, ion dipole forces. These are some intermolecular forces. उनकी बेस के ऊपर जो है इनकी फिजिकल और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज जो हैं वो डिस्कस की जाती हैं. Or now next is for chemical properties, intermolecular forces, as we can see in between the bond in between HCl, hydrogen chloride, dotted line representing the intermolecular forces. Now next is the ionic bond and a covalent bond and a coordinate covalent bond. These are the bond in which first of all we discuss the ionic bond in which the electron are loose or gain is called as the losing or gaining of the electrons is called as the ionic bond. Losing or gaining of the electron is called as ionic bond, as well as such covalent bond. If we discuss here the transfer of the electrons from one atom to another atom, this one is called as a covalent bond. Here the electrons will transfer from one to another, this is called as covalent bond. And a coordinate covalent bond in which a shared electron pair is इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट, यानी कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पेयर जो है उसका कोऑर्डिनेट कोवलेंट बॉन्ड में शेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पेयर जो है दिस इज present, and this is called as a coordinate covalent bonding, which will be discussed. This is called coordinate covalent bond in which the electronegative difference is found. For example, if this is the atom A and this is the B, if this one has a greater electronegativity, then the shared electronic pair is more attracted or more attracted towards this one as compared to B1. So this is called as a coordinate covalent bonding, which is a bonding in which the electronic pair is shared between the two atoms like A and B. And now next we discuss the laws involved in the changes, law of conservation of mass and law of the definite proportion. And now next is the matter. Matter exists in two states, pure as well as impure. Here we see the pure matter is called as substance and the impure one is called as a mixture. Here we can see this one. Now we discuss the substance. Substance may be the element or the molecule or compound as well as this one we can see, and a mixture will be the homogeneous as well as the heterogeneous, this we see. And now we will discuss of some fundamental concepts: element, molecule, compound as well as a mixture. Substance may be the element, maybe the molecule, maybe the compound, as maybe the you see the mixture is a homogeneous as well as a heterogeneous. First of all we discuss the element, group of items having same number of the protons, or atomic number is called as the elements. Group of the atoms having the same number of the protons is called as elements, and we can see all these are the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, these are all the elements. And now next is the atom, smallest part of element that takes place in the reaction. Atom may be the independent or non-independent quantity, as well as we can see the neon, helium, argon, these are the atoms, these are written. And now next we discuss the molecule which have a independent existence, like this atom, like this hydrogen, H2 is a molecule, N2 is a molecule, O2 is a molecule, H2O is a molecule. These are the molecule. Now next is a compound, combination of atom of different elements called as a compound. So next we discuss the ionic species. Here any charged species is called as a ionic species. कोई भी particle या group of atom जिसमें charge हो जिसके ऊपर, उसको हम ionic species का नाम देते हैं. Like this, here we can see this one ionic species, as we can see here. Sodium is contained plus 1 charge is called an ionic species. Magnesium plus 2 is also ionic species, and phosphate and sulfate, like this. These are the ionic species which ion is defined as which contain any charge, positive or negative, is called as ions. If it has positive charge, it will be an ion, or positive charge is called as a cation. and negative charge is called as an anion. So these are called as these both types are called as ion. Ionic species contain either positive or negative charges. Now here we discuss see the comparison between the cations and the anions. Here we can see the positive ions are called as the cations, the negative ions are called as the anions. And loss of electrons in the cations or gain of the electrons in the anions, as well as always endothermic. These are the cations or exothermic as well as endothermic size increase, और इसमें जो है इधर size reduce. और now in the next we discuss what are the endothermic and the exothermic. Here we briefly discuss what is the exothermic and what are the endothermic. Exo as the name indicates. Yes, one the name indicates exo outside, in which the heat is goes outside, यानी कि heat जो है वो बाहर की तरफ आती है, is called as exothermic. And endothermic as the name indicate, in which the heat is goes inside, जब अंदर की तरफ heat जाती है, is called as endothermic. क्योंकि कैथाइन जो हैं उनमें इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज होते हैं. So that's why these are called as the endothermic, and anions are the exothermic ones. Now here we discuss the relative atomic mass. The mass of an atom is obtained by comparing the mass of the carbon-12. Carbon-12 is taken as a standard, और जब किसी भी mass को carbon-12 से compare किया जाएगा, it's called a relative atomic mass. And here we can see relative atomic mass AMU तो उसको atomic mass unit भी कहते हैं, और one atomic mass unit 1/12 part of a carbon atom. And this one here we can see the 6.022 10^23 atom is the Avogadro number, and 1 mole is equal to this one. This is called as a relative atomic mass, or 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1.6 10 to the power minus 24 kg. Now here we discuss the isotopes. Here we can see the chemical substances which have the same atomic number but different atomic mass is called as isotopes. मैंने आई थिंक क्या हर एक को पता है कि atomic mass और atomic number में difference क्या होता है. Now we see the similarities and the differences. कि isotope are different, similar in the atomic number but different in the atomic masses, as well as in the proton number is the same. The number of neutron is different, और इसमें electron number is the same. Composition of a nucleus is different, or chemical properties are the same, and the physical properties are different, or position of the element in the periodic table. Here we see some number of the elements which contain the number of isotopes. And now we discuss the isobar and the isotone. Isobar is the same atomic mass and different atomic number. Isotone is the same number of the neutrons. This is the isoelectronic species, the same number of the electrons. Here we discuss the difference in between a pellicle formula as well as a molecular formula. Here we can see the empirical formula. This is a formula which shows the simplest odd number ratios of element present in the compound molecule is called as the empirical formula, like the glucose, fructose, galactose. Here we can see the empirical formula of the glucose, and the percentage of element is like calculated like this for mass of element, mass of a compound into 100. And now there are different formulas how we can find out the gram atom per mole and atomic ratio, as well as the molecular formula shows the actual number of atoms in the molecule. That is the difference in between the empirical and the molecular formula. The empirical formula shows the simplest odd number ratio, as well as the molecular formula shows the actual number of atoms in the molecule. As we can see here, molecular formula is divided by empirical formula is equal to n